Laborers of Food Corporation of India protest exploitation by Mathai Enterprises. Both police and laborers sustain injuries in their scuffles. Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan says government alone cannot block outsiders, urges everyone to take responsibility to protect indigenous inhabitants of the state. And CPI, CPIM, RSP and Forward Bloc of Manipur extend full solidarity to left parties. All India's general strike on December 19 against the amended Citizenship Act. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Laborers of Food Corporation of India (FCI) carried out a protest demonstration against exploitation of the FCI laborers by Mathai Enterprises at Kashampat Lemajam Laikai Community Hall today. Manipur police personnel rushed to the site to disperse the protesters. Intense scuffles occurred where 2 police personnel and some laborers sustained injuries. Police arrested Vice President of All India Loading and Unloading Workers Federation, Hijam Kabita, who was among the agitators, and 2 other laborers. The irate laborers rallied towards the Chief Minister's secretariat to submit a memorandum, but police halted them in front of the Nupilal complex. Police later allowed General Secretary of CAF and PD Labour Welfare Association, Romendrajit Morangcha, who was among the protesters, to submit a memorandum at the secretariat. Speaking to media after submitting the memorandum, Romendrajit said that the memorandum was not submitted directly to the Chief Minister and hence they will continue protesting until they meet with Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren to bring a solution to their issue. He urged Chief Minister N. Biren to fulfill their demands at the earliest and also appeals to suspend Mathai Enterprises. Romendrajit also demanded unconditional release of the arrested laborers at the earliest. He said that a Vice President of All India Loading and Unloading Workers Federation, Kabita, who was earlier arrested by the police along with the 2 laborers, has declared to go on hunger strike until the government fulfills their demands. Romendrajit strongly condemns the ruthless act of the Manipur police during today's protest.
Sinin protest lawyer ka da koi really magna tragaso CM da koi ahum mari chang laga da koi information je piboy na koi CM unaba lona na koi memorandum submit to bai bi wakhalon da high protest to phamjabani adubu laiwak thiba thodo da koi police kai na sai DC ki permission laude police station da information piram de district magistrate information piram de habi condition da koi ada thugai gre hai law enforcement obai any amount obai na tana contractor ki side obai FSI ki authority no obai na tana mari lena government no obai masida sinmi khara ki hara kan da namjan ba yakne habi condition lama da Irang name Basu Yaro, Irang Hen and a Chorok number pony, Masia Quota Taraiba Kut, Mamang the Quota Toriba Shana Toriba Torture, Kudimaxi Aquidinity, Toriba Torture, Siang Haragati, Sinmi Miam, the Tabak Surga, no Magi Deli West the Hingiba, Sinmi Miam the Tarpaka Samane.
Meanwhile, proscribed Kanglei Park Communist Party People's War Group in a press release has declared that the outfit has banned all the activities of FCI Godown in Sangai Pro henceforth, stating that the contractor of Mathai Enterprises has terminated all the former 80 laborers of the Godown unreasonably. The proscribed outfit asserted that they will keep a close eye on the contractor. The outfit wants the FCI officials and the contractor to bear all the negative consequences if they open the godown ignoring their ban. Workers of BJP Manipur Pradesh gave a warm welcome to Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan upon his arrival at the Imphal International Airport today after attending the winter session of the Parliament. Responding to Impact News query on how far the inner line permit system will protect the indigenous inhabitants of Manipur, Dr. R.K. Ranjan asserted that the government alone cannot block outsiders from entering the state. He added that everyone in the state should play their befitting role to protect Manipur. R.K. Ranjan also assured that he is trying his best to solve the border issues of the state by urging the centre. BJP workers garlanded Dr. R.K. Ranjan and hailed state and central BJP leaders at the airport. R.K. Ranjan also received a warm welcome by his supporters at his residence in Kongba.
ILP sanaragasu aikoina mado with respect aikoi praja amagi role do lawra kanda aikoi the mitop sam kanda aikoina voluntarily isang thong na mito om sange se koi punna lawminar kang da madu effective oine ba natragadi order amana di yaroi masi sarkar na lawrga su yaroi praja punamang na yaudragadi yaroi ba political rights ase koi na save tok se ba indigenous people sing na save tok se ba adu de mipum khudimo ki dai ta lei adu khangmin na koi ngakmin si sine in haini phawda leri ba survey of india gi map ki matungina interstate boundary se masidi conflict thokpham suglai leite hujik su sen ba yaroi aduga ama Indo-Burma gi dudi is international issue ni madudi diplomatic level da aikoina pressure to bom sangi yana bom sangi
CPI, CPIM, RSP and Forward Bloc of Manipur have extended full solidarity to All India General Strike called by left parties against the amended Citizenship Act. The General Strike is from 6 a.m. till 6 p.m. on December 19. Speaking to the media at the CPI office at Irabat Bhavan today, General Secretary of CPI Manipur State Unit, Laishram Sotin Kumar, said that representatives of the four left parties will not attend the High Tea Party organized at CM's Secretariat today to rejoice over implementation of the ILP regime in the state. Sotin Kumar condemns that the Chief Minister of Manipur is rejoicing over the passing of Citizenship Amendment Bill when other states where the ILP system has been already implemented are opposing the same. Stating that the Congress party has already extended solidarity to All India General Strike on December 19, L. Sotin Kumar appeals to various civil society organizations, student groups and political parties to support the strike. Speaking to media, State Secretary of CPIM Manipur State Unit KSH Shanta shared the pain of the bereaved family members of those killed in the recent stir in Assam and Tripura.
Chief Minister di haraw phongdokpa Citizenship Amendment Bill passed ore haraga haraw phongdokpa ILP sadare haraga maduda Citizenship Amendment Bill gi wafambu na thaidu thamna phonaba kaya sing ekhoina thengnari bani maramaduna ngasimak kauriba Manipur ki Chief Minister na tongan political parties sing intellectual sing stakeholders sing mayam kauriba se masida ekhoi lep ki dor sing adugumba high tea program se mase koi yauroi
amendment ek ase masigi mayok ta andalon sangsin bada Assam da lehidraba akoi maru pangsing Tripura da lehidraba maru pangsing amai northern gi atai state sing da sangsin liba akoi ga sopan nangraba kangmu sing ado madui da mungta awa phungdoi ado nuai ta phungdoli.
With agitation going on against the Citizenship Amendment Act in Assam, Jiribam district of Manipur Assam border is bearing the brunt of lack of adequate petrol supply. It has led to the shutdown of many oil pumps in the district. Many four-wheelers and two-wheelers are queuing at the oil pump in Babupara, the main center of the district, and petrol is out of stock at oil pumps located at further areas. Popular Front of India in a press release has observed that the passage of the Citizenship Amendment Bill has turned the country into a fanatic anti-Muslim land. It condemns the turning of the bill into an act by stating that it is a significant step in downgrading the democratic and secular country into an authoritarian and racist nation by singling out Muslims as second-class citizens or even non-citizens without any civil rights. Volunteers of Manipur University Students' Union, MUSU, today carried out a protest demonstration inside a university campus against the implementation of the Citizenship Amendment Act in northeast states. Speaking to media, MUSU President Kaisham Lebanon said that the recently enacted CAA cannot be implemented in northeast states. He also said that MUSU will extend solidarity to all the initiatives of Northeast Forum for Indigenous People, NIFIP, against the same.
Koi lay minariba actually now tongan ba ethnic groups mayam asi hariba tongan influx mayam amana laksalaga koi yellow mi sing kan mut kigadra haibagi mi pai basi laibadagi koina sigumba kaino se support tawjabani karigumba hariba koi haibutare sigi CAB asi koi state sing knowledge state sing da hadi pass tawkiba laibasi koi mapanda lairiba neso nefip tongan ba mayam na moina chatharakpa khongjang singda koi musuna su matungda su dum support taw.
Renowned filmmaker Aribam Sham Sharma has expressed contentment that the inner line permit system ILPS was implemented in Manipur to exempt it from the Citizenship Amendment Act. However, he has strongly condemned that the centre is forcibly trying to implement the contentious act in the northeast states. Aribam Sham Sharma has stated that he will carry out a relentless protest against the act. Speaking to the media at his residence at Thangmaiban Laurungpure Lekai today, Aribam Sham Sharma extols the efforts of the people of the state to get ILP regime in the state. He lauded the centre and state governments and the public for their relentless efforts on the same. Stressing on the need for the northeast states to unite and save its natives, Aribam Sham Sharma urged the people of the state to support the ongoing vehement protest against the act in the neighboring states of Assam, Tripura and Meghalaya. He also expressed apprehension over the possible influx of large number of migrants in the state and the region if the act is ever implemented in these states. It may be recalled that renowned filmmaker and music composer Aribam Sham Sharma returned his Padma Shri Award bestowed by the government of India in 2006 against the CAB before it was converted into an act.
North East puna combine toraga loin muk punna akhui masida changchen minagadabani kep ase North East ta chalhaloidabani karigino hebu Manipur da su akhui ne khangkhridu ngai kya foreigner gi issue da alumba yam awab kya nangrabani Manipur se aduga aigi North East ta leiba halloiraba kya am uraba long adi chahi marfu helaba adu mafam masida problem kya thengnaraba problem kya uraba amoina ina haijaningi madudi kep ase North East ta chanahan biganu ani subda Chanhandana Karimba Upayam Tavi Yam Nui, Manipura ILP, Chanhandana Bini Harabadi, Aina Tagachari, Masi Oil Bill Populimak Tasu, Aina Tagachari, Lunana, a Queen Suka Gobia Dabdi, the Assam, the Toiba, Tripura, Meghalaya, a sinistim the Toiba at the northeastern state, the Toiba Pulmase. A quick pull up Liminaraga, Aduga Maquina, a Queen of Palm River say, pull up when the Pangnaba, what the Benisha have say, Mayam Daina, Apple Togari.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on two-day All India Seminar on Combating Climate Change and Integrated Action Plan. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Two-day All India Seminar on Combating Climate Change and Integrated Action Plan began today at the auditorium of National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology, NILIT in Akampat. Institution of Engineers India Manipur State Centre organized the event under the aegis of Interdisciplinary Coordination Committee IEI Headquarter, Kolkata. Speaking at the event, Chairman of the institution, N. Shamsundar, called upon engineers to take active roles to tackle the problems of climate change in the state. He urged engineers not to remain silent in the wake of global emergency like scorching heat, scanty rainfall, changes in topographical structures of water bodies, and less agricultural production brought on by climate change. N. Shamsundar also stressed on the negative consequences of deforestation on climate, the negative impact of poppy and marijuana cultivation on soil fertility in the hilly areas, and on the deteriorating condition of the Loktak Lake. He also urged people to use solar renewable energy. A chief engineer of PWD Manipur, K.H. Temba, former PWD chief engineers T.H. Joy Kumar, M. Lokendra, Controller of Technical Education Manipur, M. Ibomcha, many engineers and experts took part in the program.
Agriculture the engineer yaurkani, education the engineer yaurkani, medical science the engineer yaurdabu yaro. Aduna di punabaga sista engineers singi responsibility se asungati wang lay darkalwe. Aikoina hana tawadabu thaba adu tawrakanda madugi user oiba adudi mi makhan gi user scientist na su oibe doctors in oibe farmers in oibe amadan any body will be out. I could see always one step ahead. Habagi of Hamsda, I am South Toxaning, Madugi, Heidi Mayam, Sibu Punchalaga, Adudi, combating climate change, have say, Masidasu, Equina, Mangjin Tana Setpa, Mayam the Putokpa, Masi, Dakar, Ginena, Equina, consider.
Members of United Women's Rights Defenders Youth Forum for Protection of Human Rights, Domestic Violence Survivor Forum and Conflict Widow Forum carried out a protest demonstration in front of the High Court of Manipur at around 12 noon today. The protesters demanded the Chief Justice of the High Court of Manipur to probe into various pending cases related to children and women and to direct the appointment of required court judges in the state. They used various placards which read, "Wake up judiciary, we want speedy justice, direct the government to improve fast-track court, we are tired, we want speedy justice," etc. A police team led by Lamphel Police Station OC finally managed to contain the protesters. Speaking to media, member of United Women's Rights Defenders A. Romi said that victims' families are disappointed and disheartened with the long pending of the cases. She also appeals to the High Court to urge the government to install a DNA testing machine in the state at the earliest. A. Romi said that a memorandum including their demands would be submitted to the Chief Justice through the Registrar of the High Court of Manipur. Thongju Gram Panchayat carried out a mass rally and held an awareness program on the theme cleanliness and plastic pollution today. The awareness program, sponsored by Manipur State Rural Livelihood Mission, was held at Seva Club Community Hall in Thongju Part 2 under the aegis of the Manipur Pollution Control Board. The rally, spreading awareness on cleanliness and plastic pollution, kicked off from the community hall and passed through Thongju Part 1 and Part 2. Participants collected plastic waste found littered on their way. Member of Bashikong Zilla Parishad, Jashowanta Chirom, Block Mission Manager of Manipur State Rural Livelihood Mission, T. Zamlun Mangzau, and scientist of Manipur Pollution Control Board, C. K.H. Tomba, took part in the event.
Hojik akhoi plastic pollution dai tholaiba adagi motpa dai tholaiba laina tina akhoi yui bezati asida mangali bezing asi khardoi so akhoi kanminnabam thoi akhoi gyan tamidabam thoi aduna masigi phatta waje akhoi khangminnaraga aduga plastic si yaiga akhoi minimum use tawna yam pikthana use tawna ba to akhoi madugi wakhalon akhoi sinjabani pochingche
ngasi khongoliba plastic sing ase akhoi yarigai recycle toba reuse toba yaba potuna reuse tawni adugi lemobududi akhoi road construction da sinaragani Manipur amasung Thongju kendragi mipum khudimmakta leiba plastic se akhoi sinade yadaba si yarigai handana sinaraga ate sinadaba yadaba posang do sinar matungdadi akhoi hairiba plastic se handana bani haiduna plastic se mai thadokpase tobiganu plastic se melting point yamna nemba amasung hell hazard oiba plastic se mai thar matungda akhoi cancer haina yam sathi laina ase tholi masina akhoi dioxin koba cancer yamna thon laina hairiba chemical ase thadore.
Manipur State Legal Service Authority conducted National Lok Adalat at the Lamphel Court Complex today. Altogether, 3,000 cases, including BSNL, bank and court cases, were put up in the Lok Adalat, chaired by 4 bench and settled cases worth around 100 crore rupees. Speaking to media, Deputy Member of Manipur State Legal Service Authority, Secretary S. Sadananda, said that the Lok Adalat is one of the alternative dispute redressal mechanisms. It is a forum where cases pending in the court of law or at a pre-litigation stage are settled amicably.
Lok Adalat haibagi pandamdi khoi mayam yanaraga mutually reconcile tawbani khoi court ki process yaudabida khoi yanabai matung in settle tawba natraga court yaudringaida matters resolve tawba yaba haitare hadi mostly matters khoi na court changdringaida court ki process initiate tawdringaida resolve taw yaba matter ayamba lokhatjabani aduna mayam de appeal tawjiningbadi Lok Adalat ku support tawbiu matung dasu saruk yabiduna court yaudringaida cases mayam resolve taw yabagi sig opportunity se lobiu hana haijari.
District Legal Services Authority Thoubal also conducted National Lok Adalat at Thoubal Court Complex today. Altogether, 82 cases were put up in the Lok Adalat, out of which 61 cases were disposed. Cases for over 37 lakh rupees were settled and collected over 5 lakh rupees at the Adalat. All Manipur Road Transport Drivers and Motor Workers Union in a press release has strongly condemned the burning of one Tata truck bearing registration number AS11CC3327 at the adjoining areas of Awangkhun and Rangkhong on Imphal-Jiri Road at around 6 p.m. yesterday. The union has appeals not to repeat such misconduct again. Nauria Pakanglakpa MLA S. Subhash Chandra launched a 2-day library awareness program at Hyangthang Maning Lekai Multipurpose Club today. Manipur Literary Association Mala organized a program sponsored by the Raja Ram Mohan Roy Foundation, Kolkata. MLA Subhash Chandra also inaugurated a new building of the multi-purpose club on the occasion. Speaking at the event, MLA Subhash Chandra stressed on the need for proper education for a successful future. He urged the students to visit any nearby library in their spare time instead of playing games on mobile phones. He also appeals to parents and members of local clubs to encourage the students for the same. MLA Subhash Chandra stated that efforts are underway to open 7 libraries in 7 different places of the constituency in the near future.
ज्ञान लौसिंग चौखटपा व्यवहार थौगलोन विमानलोन मसी लोइना लोइनी याव लाइक याव मयाम सिंगु पारबा मदु खंगजलबा मदु कानबदुना समाज महानमु पागु मेसेज दु मथंग मथंग पीरगा ने कोई नय शांति की पुके लाक्तरिबा पुन मसिंसे लाइब्रेरी को थोदांदो युंबा हांकुरिबा लाइब्रेरी स्टिकी लंदनसिगी लेकाई हौरिबा नहासिंग इंखलरिबा छात्र छात्रीसिंग पुनमुक्ता चौ कानबमा मुंसिदा पीरगनी.
One-day Ayush free health camp was held at Laijing Ningthao Junior High School in Thangmaiban today. 50-bedded integrated Ayush hospital in Lamphel sponsored the camp. Doctors of Ayush hospital checked up students of the school and residents of the area at the camp. Speaking on the sidelines, medical superintendent of Ayush hospital, Dr. N.G. Mema, said that Ayush treatment is a unique treatment method having no side effects.
Any organization, school khangde, Mara Paibi khangde, any kind of organization, Singna Akoigi, Lampelgi, Ayush Hospital, Sidaida La Aga, Akoi the application among Pibi Ragadi, Kunaizigi, Lairiba, Mui Kudingmak, Ayuski, Matengna, Akoinangam Jabakara, Tinjang Kaijang Daba, Society Ama Pom Tauba, Pamja.
Joint Reformation Committee Amokog Manipur held its general convention at Lilong Bazar Development Committee ground today. Representatives of various local clubs, organizations and committees from areas inhabited by Meitei Pangal community formed a new 21-membered executive committee of Amokog, headquartered at the convention. JJ School Montessori Ghari Makhaleka in Imphal West District held a winter carnival at its lawn today. Various stalls were opened, games, pony ride, art and craft, tambola and Christmas carol were the highlights of the carnival. Students along with their parents and guardians enjoyed the event. Lions Club of Moirang presented bicycles to 25 meritorious students of Moirang at an event held at INA Martyrs Memorial Hall in Moirang today. The cycles were distributed under Thongam Ibohal Singh and Thongam Ongbi Ibecha Devi Memorial Cycle Award. Leaders of Lions Club International, Lions Club Moirang, people of the area, students, parents and guardians attended the event.
ngasi phawda ai babana ai imana kana womadagi kari yumama sendol ama leida thoba laktaba aduba mayam duda lai zarbasu ai sasing sebada khoi adigi humang ma natradi kana gumama mating lauraga ai sasing semoi haba makhoi adigi wakhal londubo ai thamoida chetna thagon jarakada ai family ga tanaraga sigumba function lasi sigumba donor lasi ai oijakibani.
Annual Sports Day of Assam Rifles Public School ARPS Mantri Pukri held on the theme Fit Body, Fit Mind since December 12 concluded today. Speakers at the event stressed on the importance of sports in a child's life. ARRWA Regional President Mrs. Rachna, Colonel Prikshit Dhaya, Commandant of 15 Assam Rifles, principal, staffs and students of ARPS attended the valedictory event. A combined team of NAB, NCB Imphal and Imphal East District Police led by NAB SP destroyed a mass illegal poppy plantation at Khongban, Tangkhul under Sagolmang Police Station today. The poppy plants were cultivated over a stretch of 120 acres of land. The Sagolmang Police Station has registered an FIR against the same. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Laborers of Food Corporation of India protest exploitation by Mathai Enterprises. Both police and laborers sustain injuries in their scuffles. Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan says government alone cannot block outsiders, urges everyone to take responsibility to protect indigenous inhabitants of the state. And CPI, CPIM, RSP and Forward Bloc of Manipur extend full solidarity to left parties, all India's general strike on December 19 against the amended Citizenship Act.